Just want to say good morning to all my viewers. Hope everyone's having a good day. All is well. I'm just checking out the area. Went for a walk around my way. Checking out the view. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice view. Still got a lake. It's a beautiful lake here. Going, you know, just having a blessed day. Just want to say hello to everyone, let everyone know. This is around where I live, in the south. Check out this beautiful, nice river. It's like a little lake. Back home now. The trees, it's fall.